My name is A1C Joe Pearson. I am an F-16 crew chief, and right now I'm deployed at Albacete Air Base in Spain. We are a part of TLP, which is Tactical Leadership Program, which basically our pilots can be able to train with our NATO allies. There's really no other job where you can come out to a place like Spain and be able to work with reserve counterparts and also NATO counterparts and other countries and, learn their culture. I want an aircraft that's just got the legacy and the history behind it is just so amazing, and it's so proven that it's one of the best fighters in the entire world. The pilots trust us with their lives, and when we shake their hands when they get into the cockpit, that's the last hands they shake before they take off and go into whatever mission they're about to do. It's just something I always loved. I've been going to air shows since I was a little kid, and this has just always been a dream for me. Being able to be in charge of one and be able to launch it out every day and see it take off is the most rewarding thing in the world.